In this video, we will cover how to configure your public site with Fundly Connect. Start by going to the main menu and clicking on Design My Public Site. This will load a preview of your public site as it is currently configured. To begin editing your public site, start by clicking on Edit Template. This will now make the page editable. But first, let's start by modifying the colors of our page. To do that, we will expand the right-hand section. From here, we can select from various template options. Next, we can configure the colors. Here, we could change out this blue for another color, or the red that we are using for the buttons. We can also change the background color. Once you have made your changes to the color and template, simply click on Save Changes, and you can collapse the right-hand section. Once you have updated your colors and the template as desired, we can now start changing the content of the pages. We will start by uploading a new logo. We do this by clicking on the left-hand corner and clicking on Edit. This will bring up a download option to put in a new logo, which we can click on and select the desired logo. After selecting an image, we have the option to make some changes to it. At this time, I will not make any changes. And once uploaded, we will click on Close. Next, we can edit the Need Help section. In this section, we can provide information for our volunteers on whom they should contact should they experience any difficulties. I would recommend that you put at least your organization's phone number or an email address. When done, click on Save. Next, we can edit the main menu. By default, the main menu will be populated with a handful of fields. You can edit these fields and add to them as needed. To add a new menu item, click on Add New Menu Item, where you will select the type of menu item, the name, and the title of the page if applicable. Menu items provided are Text Page, which provides you with a customizable page for your own text, Volunteer Sign Up, which allows for a link that volunteers can click on to sign up for an account, Search Opportunity, which provides a page from which they can search for opportunities, Programs, which will provide a list of all your programs, and from that list, a page for each program, Home, which will return them to the home page we see here, Team Sign Up, which allows, like Volunteer Sign Up, for the signing up of team accounts, and Calendar, which will give you your publicly displayed opportunity calendar. To edit a menu item, simply click on Edit. In the case of a text page, when editing or adding this item, you will have a content area. What you place in this content area will be the content displayed on that page. So for the example of an About Us page, this would be information about your organization. When you have finished editing your menu, you can simply close the pop-up. Over here, we will have the ability to configure menus specific to volunteers, teams, and, if using a Volunteer Action Center account, organizations. This is edited much the same as the main menu, with a variety of menu options. For Volunteer Action Centers, there would be an additional option for organization sign-up. From here, we can continue customizing our page by adding slider images. As with the logo, we will click on the Edit button for this section and have the option to upload multiple images. It is recommended, however, that you maintain these images to the specified dimensions. Otherwise, they may display incorrectly. Next, we can edit the summary widget, indicating which summaries we wish to display, or you can indicate whether or not the Recent Opportunities widget shall be hidden or displayed. Next, as with text pages, our home page will have the ability to have customized content. To edit this, simply click the Edit button for that content area and provide the content you desire. Lastly, at the bottom of the page, we can edit the social media links for our organization, providing Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube URLs for our organization that volunteers or organizations for volunteer action centers may visit. This concludes the tutorial on customizing and designing your public site. If you ever have any questions, feel free to email us at support@fundly.com.